Hello guys. I never thought that ani ay ang bugti sa enjoyment we just had. Mao da istoy telimadon ganina, no? I'm mourning now, I'm grieving, though it's only a dog. But it's not only a dog, it's a family. You know, I love this dog so much. And I know that he loved us back. His name is Jack. I know he loved us back. He was a very smart dog. Now he's dead. He got hit by a vehicle, and for sure it's not just an ordinary motorcycle, like it's a four-wheeled vehicle, I'm sure, because of the devastation. Napuruhan ang iyang ulo, guys. And right now, before we're gonna bury him, I have to wait first my two daughters to come. They're still at the resort. Di lang sa I'm very sure they're gonna be sad. You know, I treated this dog like human, like not an animal, not just a pet. His food was clean as the food we eat. I regularly wash his feeder, his plates. Then he also had his regular bath. Then we talked to him. You know, he slept inside with us. We make sure that his place is clean. That's how we treated him.